Welcome back, learners. We're thrilled to have you join us for another enriching session of Global English Competitiveness. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the second part of this unit, 13B, Technological Developments. Ready your pen and paper as we embark on this journey together.
To recap, we have four can-do objectives in this unit. First, to discuss the rise of digital citizenship. Second, discuss the technological development. Third, discuss new approaches to internet security. And fourth, to identify and synthesize news event details. As you can remember, we have already covered our first can-do objective, where you discussed the rise of digital citizenship. So let's move on to our second can-do objective. Discuss the technological development. Without further ado, let's move on to Lesson 13B, Technological Developments. And here are the different sub-lessons that will help us achieve our objective. Grammar, vocabulary, writing, and speaking. When discussing technological developments, we use specific tenses of verbs to help us narrate the history of technological advancements, inventions, or breakthroughs. It allows us to talk about specific moments in the past when these developments took place. The past simple tense tells about an action that was completed in the past. For example, in the late 19th century, Thomas Edison invented the phonograph, which revolutionized the way people listened to music. This device played a significant role in the early recording industry, allowing for the preservation and distribution of music for the first time in history. In this example, the past simple tense allows us to discuss the historical event of Thomas Edison's invention of the phonograph and its impact on society at that time. It helps convey a sense of completed actions in the past, giving a clear timeline of technological advancements. All right, let's put your knowledge on past simple tense to a test. Fill in the gaps with verbs from the box in the past simple tense. So for example, the first answer there is was not. This is the negative form in the past simple tense of the verb be. Now pause the video and answer the rest of the items. Let's continue with the rest of the paragraph. Now here are the correct answers. Now let's enrich your vocabulary with this activity. All you have to do is to identify the correct meaning of the following words. For example, in number 1, the word method means a form of procedure. Now pause the video and answer the rest of the items. Now here are the correct answers. How did you do in our previous activity? I'm sure you aced them. Now, moving on to our writing activity, with the aid of online sources, create a chronological order of technological developments by completing the graphic organizer on your screen. This time, reflect on an experience where you employed technology to resolve a practical problem you encountered. Write about this experience using the past simple tense. Keep in mind that just like the previous activity, your answers in this activity may vary. After writing, you may use your preferred AI tool to check areas for improvement in your written output. You may pause the video and start writing. And we're down to our last activity for Lesson 13B. This time, you're going to work in pairs. Share the paragraph you've written in the previous activity. Take turns sharing. Then rate each other using the Likert scale on your screen. Remember, 5 for strongly agree and 1 for strongly disagree. You may pause the video and work on this activity. And with that, we have covered our second can-do objective, which is to discuss the technological development. In this lesson, we enriched your grammar skills with a discussion and activities on the use of past simple tense. We tested your vocabulary on technology-related words. You also created a chronological order of technological developments and wrote about an experience where you employed technology to resolve a practical problem. And finally, you shared your reflections to a partner.
Your participation have made this lesson memorable. Let's carry this momentum into our future endeavors. And that concludes Unit 13B. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.